Ram Ram bhaiyo. So there is one problem come out today. The hand pump is not working. That's why my father called plumber repair. And there is the man. The problem come out in this part. My father going to buy new nut bolt. So uncle ji doing something to repair this hand pump. He is cutting the wall of hand pump by scissor. This is the cycle on which plumber uncle came. And now we are waiting for our father because he is going to buy the tools which is needed for the repair of hand pump. So guys, finally my father has come. And he buy these tools which is used to repair this hand pump. This is called valve in Hindi, but I don't know what he is called in English. If you know, tell me in the comment section. The main problem is that the chodi of this part is got free. Uncle ji preparing this tool for the repair of hand pump. And there are some nut bolt which my father buy from the market. अंकल जी जो रबड़ सी लगाई आपने इससे क्या हुआ है?
ये हवा लगने लगा बस.
So these are the tools through which the nut bolt is tightened. Should be tight. My father is also helping uncle ji. Now the setup is going to. Now they are setting the alignment of this hand pump. Uncle ji insert the nut. Now they are tightening the bolt on this nut. So tell me guys, you also face this problem in your hand pump? Now water is filling in the hand pump through which the water come out from the ground. After this process, the water come out from the ground. So finally guys, the water come out through this hand pump. Now it's looking that our hand pump is finally working.
क्या? ये रगड़ी बिना गरम करे.
Now they are discussing about this part.
इसे ले जाकर इसमें चूड़ी कटवा लो. ठीक. जब भी कभी वो
My father want to remove this ghagri from this pipe. So they are discussing about this. They are discussing about this part because he is plumber. Guys, these are the part which is repaired by uncle ji who is plumber. And here also. This is the main problem. So guys, finally the hand pump working properly. And there are many words which I am unable to say. If you know the name in the English, you can tell me in the comment section. And आज की इंग्लिश खत्म हुई because I have limited English.